All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, I'm looking at something that's on our top 20 list at Tasty Trade of most actively traded stocks by all of our customers at Tasty Trade. I'm talking about Tesla, but before I do, I have to thank you. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for subscribing to Tasty Live. You've really done that, and we really appreciate it. So please continue. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe so we can keep all of this free for you. All right, everybody, what are we looking at? We're looking at Tesla. Tesla down around $11.75, as you would expect, as the market, even the S&Ps, are down near their lows, down around 90 handles, as oil trades near its highs, up $9.30 to 96.5. You'll notice here I have a big wide chart of Tesla for all those technicians. This is called a little bit of a gap fill, or at least trying to fill this gap. I'm going to go all the way below this gap with my trade that I'm putting on today, give myself a lot of room to the downside, and something that has a low IV rank, 9.2, but has high monthly implied volatility. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to go to the trade page. I'm going to set up here buying one of the 345 puts and selling two of the 330 puts. This trade has about 8 long deltas. It's trading for $2.85. That's right where I sold it, $2.86, with the stock down $11.80. This trade has a 92% probability of success. It does use a little bit of buying power, almost $9,400 in buying power. So if you wanted to do something to reduce that type of buying power that you're using, you could go out and buy an out of the money put. That would reduce your buying power to $2,800, maybe more in the realm of where you're looking to use the amount of buying power. Of course, it's going to reduce your credit you receive by the price of the put that you just bought up there, but it does make it a defined risk trade, and it still goes, or still has a break even that's under the one standard deviation range. As a matter of fact, your break even is somewhere just under 315. I'm going to erase that for just a moment by right clicking on it, and now showing you that my break even on this trade is under 315 to around 313 and change. That's a number that Tesla hasn't been to for quite some time. And this trade's only 36 days in duration. Here you can see it's trading around 290 if you get filled at mid-price. Volatility expanding across the board as even the S&Ps make new lows, and volatility /VX gets near its highs, up $1.30, 24.20. Exciting times to be in the market on either side of the market as volatility expands through all of this war and conflict. All right, everybody, you know what I'm going to ask you to do right now? Since you've liked and subscribed to Tasty Live, please open, move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade so we can keep the lights on here at Tasty Live and keep everything free.